I'm Bobby Schwartz, and today's segment, I just thought we'd come and see a little bit about how I live my life. This is my home, and give you just a little glimpse into what my personal style is where I live. First thing I'm going to tell you, and you're going to note as we wander around a little bit, is that it's all white. And the reason for that is I've got a lot of stress going on in my life outward, and I've realized over the years that white is very, very soothing. And it's a very zen feeling, I can tell you, to come home to, and naturally I love it. It's very, very cozy. So the first thing I just want to share a few of the pieces that we have here. And one of them is everything, first of all, has come from an antique store. Nothing is new. They're just great treasures that I found over the years. This is an opium bed, and just bought the frame and then had pillows built for it to make it a very, very comfortable couch. The next thing, of course, that I really love are all the light from the French doors and the 12-foot ceilings that just give it a very open and light sense. Love these chairs. They're totally down-filled and a great place to cozy up with a book on a winter or summer day. Over here, if you notice, so you know, the other thing I want to tell you too is that all of the artwork here is either from Paris or London. And I just, little flea market finds of etchings that I brought home and found a local fabulous discounting framer. And so we've, you know, just got, everything has a memory to it, but it's wonderful art from abroad. Then this is just a little lounge chair. It's just a rattan beach chair that I found somewhere, and again have the cushions made for, so it serves as a day bed in my house. And then lastly, we'll just take a second and tell you about the ice cream chairs that I found at a flea market that I use for my dining room chairs. So I hope that, you know, all of this just seems a little bit of fun, sort of a distraction. It's not really fashion clothes, but you know, it's clothes for the home, sort of. You know, we get dress our houses up the way we want them to be dressed. So thanks so much for joining us, and I'll look forward to seeing you soon.